Welcome to Quiz a la carte. Are you a general knowledge champion? Let's find out. Up next is a challenging 25-question multiple-choice quiz covering 4 different topics. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz a la carte channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started with the first question. In which country can you find a naturally bright pink lake named Lake Hillier? Canada, Finland, or Australia? The answer is C, Australia. The lake is famous for its permanent bubblegum pink water. Before he was the 16th president, Abraham Lincoln held what unlikely job? Blacksmith, licensed bartender, or circus performer? The answer is B, licensed bartender. He co-owned a tavern called Berry and Lincoln. Which character from Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is turned into an enormous blueberry? Violet Beauregarde, Veruca Salt, or Augustus Gloop? The answer is A, Violet Beauregarde. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Mercury, or Mars? The answer is B, Mercury. Mercury has the shortest orbital period in the solar system. What is the capital city of Italy? Venice, Milan, or Rome? The answer is C, Rome. Rome is often called the Eternal City. Which ancient civilization developed hieroglyphics? Romans, Mayans, or Egyptians? The answer is C, Egyptians. Hieroglyphics were pictograms used for formal inscriptions. Who created Peter Rabbit? Beatrix Potter, Jane Austen, or Emily Dickinson? The answer is A, Beatrix Potter. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in Celsius? 90 degrees, 100 degrees, or 110 degrees? The answer is B, 100 degrees Celsius, and that's 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Which ocean lies between North America and Europe? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Atlantic Ocean? The answer is C, Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. Who was the first president to live in the White House? Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, or George Washington? The answer is B, John Adams. Who does Charlotte weave her web for in Charlotte's Web? Wilbur, Fern, or Templeton? The answer is A, Wilbur the pig. What is the symbol for the element oxygen on the periodic table? OX, O, or O2? The answer is B, O. A single O represents the element oxygen. Which continent is the least populated? Australia, Antarctica, or Africa? The answer is B, Antarctica. It has no permanent residents, only temporary researchers. What is the name of the ship that sank in 1912 on its maiden voyage? Titanic, Lusitania, or the Britannic? The answer is A, Titanic. On its maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City, it hit an iceberg. In Anne of Green Gables, what is Anne's surname? Ashton, Cooper, or Shirley? The answer is C, Shirley. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin C? The answer is C, vitamin C. What is the currency of Switzerland? The euro, Swiss franc, or kroner? The answer is B, Swiss franc. Which of the 7 wonders of the ancient world is the only one still standing today? The Colossus of Rhodes, the Great Pyramid of Giza, or the Hanging Gardens of Babylon? The answer is B, the Great Pyramid of Giza. It has survived for over 4,500 years. What is the name of Sherlock Holmes's famous sidekick? Dr. Watson, Mycroft, or Professor Moriarty? The answer is A, Dr. Watson. What is the chemical formula for table salt? SA, SOCl, or NaCl? The answer is C, NaCl. Sodium chloride is the chemical name. What is the longest river in Asia? The Ganges, the Mekong, or the Yangtze? The answer is C, the Yangtze. It is the 3rd longest river in the world. Which U.S. state was the first to give women the right to vote in 1869? Wyoming, New York, or California? The answer is A, Wyoming. How many days did Phileas Fogg want to travel around the world in, according to Jules Verne? 68, 80, or 98? The answer is B, 80. The title of this classic adventure novel is Around the World in 80 Days. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? The spleen, the liver, or the heart? The answer is B, liver. It performs over 500 vital functions. Final question. Which archipelago is off the coast of Ecuador? The Caribbean, the Maldives, or the Galapagos Islands? The answer is C, Galapagos Islands. Charles Darwin's observations here led to the theory of evolution. Thanks for taking the quiz. Share your score in the comments. See you for the next challenge.